Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to unblock and clean any T-Mobile LG phone from blocked or blacklisted status. Our service supports any T-Mobile LG phone such as the G5, G6, V30, V20, Nexus, etc., including any new upcoming LG models as well. So I'll show you a LG G5 as an example where we will be removing the block from the phone. A block is payment related and a phone is placed on the blacklist because it's reported lost or stolen. Those are two separate things and our cleaning service removes both of these. I'll show you an example of both in this video. I'll show you the time and date so you can see in real time that we do actually unblock the IMEI and remove it from the blacklist. So let's go to Swappa so we can see this IMEI does belong to an LG G5. As you can see, this IMEI number does belong to a LG G5 and this phone is blocked. Now let me go to T-Mobile site to show you the status of this IMEI number. As you can see, this phone is blocked. Now let me go show you the time and date for today. The time is 2:05 p.m. It is January 31st, 2018, and we are located in Miami, Florida. Now let me go show you the message it will show if the phone was blacklisted for being reported lost or stolen. So this is the message you would see if the phone was blacklisted, and our service also removes this as well. The unblock will take us 1 to 48 hours to get done. I'll return once it's done and show you guys the clean status of the phone, and I'll also show you the time and date again so you can see our service is working. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how to place your order for the T-Mobile cleaning service. We will go to TechMajesty.com, and once you are on this website, go ahead to the blacklist removal service section. Then choose the T-Mobile cleaning service. After that, go ahead and write the 15-digit IMEI number of your phone. You can find this by dialing *#06# on your phone's dialer. Then write the make and model of your phone. I have the LG G5, so that's what I'll be writing here. Then click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within 1 to 48 hours informing you that your device has been unblocked. The email will look like this and say order enclosed. So guys, I'm back again. The unblock has been completed, so let's go and see the results. Let me grab the IMEI number of this phone here. Next, I'll go to T-Mobile site so we can see the status of this IMEI number. As you can see, the block has been removed from this phone. Next, I'll go ahead and show you the time and date for today. The time is 12:55 a.m. It is February 2nd, 2018, and we are located in Miami, Florida. So guys, it's as easy as that to remove your T-Mobile LG phone from its blocked or blacklisted status and to start using your phone again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.